Every runner is different. Choosing the right running watch requires finding something that not only matches your needs, but can change with them over time. Here are some great options that could fit the needs of your most casual to most training dedicated runner. All of the smartwatches we'll discuss here have the following: built-in GPS and a wrist-based heart rate sensor, smart notifications and other connected features, a variety of training options from intervals to detailed training plans, and let's not forget battery life estimations that you can often count in days rather than in hours. Since we're here to talk running, we can't neglect a series that's proven itself year after year, our Forerunner GPS smartwatches. Let's begin with the Forerunner 55. This is the only Forerunner model within this lineup that features an MIP display with traditional button controls. As more than just an entry-level running watch, find guidance from numerous training tools such as Pace Pro, Recovery Advisor, and more to help you reach your goals. The Forerunner 165 is the first of the remaining Forerunners that maintains the traditional button controls but comes with an AMOLED touchscreen display. This newer entry-level smartwatch comes with the choice between non-music and music models, giving you the freedom to load your favorite tunes directly to your watch so you can leave your phone at home. Kick off each day with morning report and quickly view data that was monitored overnight, including a sleep score and HRV status. Next, the Forerunner 265 comes in two sizes, where onboard music is available no matter which one you choose and has even more glances and metrics. For instance, training readiness helps you better evaluate how ready your body is for exercise and whether it'll be more efficient to go strong or perhaps take it easy. And training status uses indicators like your recent exercise history, performance, and HRV status to provide insights into your overall effort. The Forerunner 965 Multisport smartwatch features a lightweight titanium bezel and contains everything found in the 265 plus more. One feature that stands out in this device is the built-in mapping, which helps with more detailed course navigation, especially when you're training in unfamiliar territory. There's also a variety of other training and analysis features, including endurance and hill score, real-time stamina, and heat acclimation, just to name a few. Aside from training needs or wants, aesthetics also come into play when deciding on which device may be right for you. That's why we offer a wide variety of run activities and tools on numerous Garmin smartwatches that may appeal to your own style. If you're leaning towards something more rugged, designed to help you push your limits, look no further than the Fenix 8 Premium Multisport smartwatches. Choose from 3 available sizes, all featuring an updated user interface, built-in LED flashlight, and built-in speaker and microphone. The true deciding factor within this series is whether you prefer an AMOLED display or solar-charged MIP display. If you're more of the sleek and sporty type, you may be interested in the Venu 3 or vívoactive 5 health and fitness smartwatches. When it comes to meeting your running needs, both are virtually identical, though with the Venu 3, you can view your running power during an activity and afterwards review some of your running dynamics within Garmin Connect. Of course, all of these smartwatches can do much more than what we covered here. For more information on many of these watches or features, be sure to check out some of the other videos found here on this channel.